In this tutorial, we will learn how to blur part of a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Welcome back to TechMan. So let's begin the tutorial by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Import the video footage you want to edit by clicking on File in the menu bar, selecting Import, and choosing your video file from the directory. Drag the imported video file onto the timeline. As you can see, I have mine ready over here. Navigate to the Effects panel. In the search bar of the Effects panel, type Gaussian Blur. Drag the Gaussian Blur effect onto the video layer and the timeline. With the duplicated layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel. Locate the Gaussian Blur effect. You can also click the square or circle if you want to blur on the specific parts of your video. In our case, let's blur this logo over here, so we're going to use this square one. Just shape the logo over here, then adjust the blurriness slider to your desired level or blur. A higher value will result in a more pronounced blur effect. After creating the mask, you may want to refine its edges for a smoother look. Adjust the mask feather setting to soften the edges of the mask. By following the steps, you can effectively blur on any part of your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.